This is the Kia Soul EV. It goes on sale at the beginning of 2020 and is going to cost from around about £33,000 after the government grant. Now, it gets the same platform as the Kia e-Niro and the same 64 kilowatt-hour battery, which gives it an official range of 280 miles. If you look up front here, you can see this is where you actually plug the car in. Just push it and pop it open. You've got a CCS and a Type 2 socket, which means you can charge at home wall boxes or most public chargers, including fast chargers on the motorway services. The Kia can take up to a 100 kilowatt charge, which equates to about 100 miles of range in some 20 minutes or less. However, obviously the 50 kilowatt chargers that you get at most motorway services in the UK will do 100 miles of range in about 40 minutes. Anyway, one of the great things about the Soul is this really boxy shape. And what that gives you is masses of rear passenger room. It's really, really good for that, actually. What it's less good for is boot space, and that is where the Kia e-Niro is definitely a more practical option. So if you look in here, then you will see that actually the boot is just fine for most families, but it is quite shallow, definitely compared to something like the e-Niro. So it's not the most practical, but you do get loads of space underneath the floor for cable storage, which is great. Full UK-specific equipment is yet to be confirmed, but the Soul EV will come with a 10-inch touchscreen, complete with sat-nav with 3D view function and charger search function. It will also come with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and you can even have functions including a head-up display and wireless phone charging. If you want to know more about the Kia Soul EV, there's a full review of it on DrivingElectric.com, so do head there to check it out. And of course, there is loads more features, reviews and advice on every electric car and hybrid car on sale. In the meantime, while you're here, do subscribe to our YouTube channel and check us out on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram.